Today I'm going to be reviewing FRELIMIU's 14-pack 3D handmade birthday cards. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is how it comes. The other side here, it's got a QR code I can't show you, but these are all the different cards. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what we got. All right, so this is the pack of them. You got the envelopes, all handmade, nicely packed. Let's open it up and see each one of them. So like I said, you've got 14 of these. You got 14 envelopes. Everything's nicely packed. One with a little corner like that, but they all look really nice. Let's take a look at these. Happy birthday. Like I said, handmade. That's what they say. Wishing you an incredible and unforgettable day. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Today is your lucky day. Celebrate it. Happy birthday to you. And it's got like a little balloon. Does this go up? It's got like a little balloon that kind of comes off the side there. That's how your birthday should be. I made you a cake for your birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Wishing you all the best. It's time for a little bit of cake and a lot of fun. You're older but cooler. That's me. My son wouldn't say that. May your birthday be as sweet as you. Happy birthday to you. A little bit off the card there, 3D. Like it. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday, handsome. Can you give me the D later? Now eat some cake. All right. They said it. This does really well on Amazon, 4.4 stars. It only has 54 reviews, but not many people are going to leave reviews for cars. But these do really well. Last month, 300 plus were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.